And the government will no longer be sending children with behavioural issues to correctional facilities if Parliament approves changes to the Child Care and Protection Act next week. The changes are included in a bill tabled in Parliament aimed at providing alternative treatment to children deemed uncontrollable by parents and the state. Jamaica Maitland explains.
It's long been felt that children who display behavioral issues should not be placed in correctional centers. Education Minister Behavioural Williams says it will be a practice of the past, following amendments to repeal Section 24 of the Child Care and Protection Act.
As soon as the law is passed, it will stop using the term uncontrollable and instead use the term behavioral issues, and to make provision for the orders that may be made by the court in respect of such a child to include a residential therapeutic order or a non-residential therapeutic order having regard to the results of a social inquiry report and a psychological or psychiatric report.
Usually when parents or guardians take children deemed uncontrollable to the police, they're placed before the court. The judge can then send the child into state care. However, reports are that children do not get the help they need, and it may harden them. Additionally, the emotional trauma and stress caused by the confinement could worsen their behavioral issues. Minister Williams says 2 therapeutic centers will cater to the juveniles.
Come next week, Prime Minister will be opening brand new, state-of-the-art, never been done in Jamaica before, non-residential therapeutic center.
Where's that?
At Maxfield Park, on the property of Maxfield Park Children's Home.
Okay.
Right, and then we also have a residential therapeutic center in St. Anne that's ready, waiting, staff in place.
But in addition to doing away with the old practice, Jamaica is now compliant with international treaties that protect and preserve children's rights. Parliament is set to begin the debate on the proposed amendments next week. Notably, it does not apply to children who commit serious offenses. Another debate is taking place for mandatory minimum sentences for child offenders. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.